Hello again, Mr. Dodd, continuing through absolute value as a part of the college algebra unit in pre-calculus. I've already talked a lot about graphing using transformations, so I'm going to keep this one brief. Absolute value functions are, they transform just like any other graph. The parent function, which I probably should have put on here, but we'll just include here. Is this, it looks like this. The point is what we're actually going to transform as we shift and do all that. If you have plus or minus on the outside, minus, it's going to flip over the x-axis. This is going to be a vertical stretch or a shrink. If it's bigger than 1, a 2, then it would stretch. If it's smaller than 1, 1/2, it would shrink. The stuff on the inside is the opposite, so this will flip you over the y-axis. This will be a horizontal stretch or shrink. The C moves you left and right, and the D moves you up and down. And then this one's always opposite, so it's opposite of whatever's here. So since it's a minus already, it's opposite. If you have more questions on this, you can go to the G1 video. But I'm just going to do a couple examples really quick. Most of you should have the skill set to get this done, so if you want to pause it, that's great. And then I will just put the answers out real quick, and then that'll be it. This tells me to move left 1. That's all my movement. And then this tells me basically I have a slope of 2. The graph remains as a V. So that it's going to be an absolute value graph twice as steep as it normally would be, shifted left 1. Okay, this one's a regular absolute value graph shifted down 3 because of the minus 3 outside the parentheses. And then my slope's going to be up 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, and so on and so forth. Okay, this negative is going to flip me, so I'm going to have an upside down absolute value graph. I'm going to go right to up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where my point's going to go. And then it's going to be upside down, so I am right like that. Oops, that was not a very good line, but you get the general point of how that's supposed to look. So that's it as far as transformations are concerned. Pretty straightforward. Hopefully we can use that one moving along.